Hi everyone, in today's video I'd like to show you how to copy any YouTube video link and share. For this, just go to your YouTube app, then click on the video you want to share. I want to share this video's link, and as you can see, here is a share button. Click on this and copy this link. After that, go to the social media app that you want to share your video. I want to share it on my messenger. Then click on the person you want to share with. Now paste it, and as you can see, my YouTube video is shared. Aesthetic desk makeover shop haul. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.